Cloud can now work directly inside a folder on your computer. It can read your files, organize them, create spreadsheets, research information, and complete multi-step tasks for you. And this is very different from the AI chat. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Claude Cowork works using a real example. Here's the folder we are going to start with. We have receipts, invoices, and agreements mixed together. And I'm going to give Claude access to this folder and ask it to organize everything. Then I want it to read the receipts, extract the important information, and create an Excel report for us. And this is the final result. Claude created the folders, organized the files, extracted the information, and generated the spreadsheet. Now let me show you how we got here. Most of us started using AI like this. You open ChatGPT or Claude, you type a question, and AI gives you an answer. That's useful, but Cowork changed the relationship. Instead of only asking Claude for information, you can give Claude a task. You can give it to access a specific folder and ask it to work with the files inside that folder. That folder could contain spreadsheets, documents, PDF, presentation, receipts, contracts, or other business files. Claude can then work through the task for you. The easiest way to understand the difference is this. Claude Chat is something you talk to. Claude Cowork is something you give task to. With normal chat, you send a prompt and Claude responds. With Cowork, you give it a real goal and Claude works on that goal. Claude can create a plan, break that plan into smaller tasks, work with your files, and use tools and skills, perform actions, and then deliver the results. So instead of just asking, how should I organize the invoices, you can just ask Claude Cowork, organize these invoices. This is a very different way of working with AI. When you give Cowork a task, Claude does not necessarily complete everything in one step. First, it understands what you want. Then, it creates a plan. Then, that plan can be divided into smaller tasks. For example, it might first inspect the files, then identify what each file is, then create folders, move the files between the folders, extract the information, and create a spreadsheet. And after doing everything, it's going to verify the results. So you are not telling the Claude every single click it needs to make. You are telling it what outcome you want. And Claude figures out many of steps by itself. For more complex tasks, Claude can also coordinate different pieces of work. For example, one part can handle research, another part can analyze information, and yet another part work with the files, then everything combined into final result. This is where Cowork starts to feel less like a chatbot, more like an AI worker. And file organization is just one example. You can use Cowork to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and report. You can also analyze the data, you can perform research, you can organize files, you can automate repetitive tasks using workflows, and you can also create recurring tasks. Instead of talking about all the possibilities, let us actually use it. So Cowork is available inside the Cloud Desktop app. At the top, we have a regular Cloud Chat, and we also have Cloud Cowork. When I switch to Cowork, one of the important options is folder access. I can choose the folder. Cloud is allowed to work with it. For example, I'm going to select my small business folder. And now, Cloud can work inside this folder, and I'm not giving it access to everything on my computer. I'm just choosing the specific folder I want it to use. And especially while testing tools like this, I recommend working with the copies of important files. Now let's look at what is inside this folder. I deliberately mixed together receipts, invoices, and agreements. Here we have, for example, Delta Airlines receipt for $607 and we have another receipt in Canadian dollars. And I did this intentionally because I want to see whether Cloud understands these are two different currencies. I also have invoices and I have a couple of example agreements. and everything is mixed together. Now let us give the Cloud the job. I'm going to ask Cloud to organize the files, create a separate folders for receipts, invoices, and agreements, and move every file in the correct folder. Then read the receipts, extract the merchant, amount, and currency. And finally, create an Excel summary. And I'm also telling it not to combine different currencies unless they are converted first. And I want Cloud to verify the spreadsheet before finishing. So I'm giving the Cloud the outcome I want, together with a few important rules. Now let's run this. Watch what happens here. Cloud starts creating its own task list. First, it needs to read and categorize the files, then create the folders, move the files, extract the receipt information, create the Excel spreadsheet, and finally verify the output. This is important part. I didn't tell the Cloud every single mouse click. I just described the outcome and Cloud created the steps to perform. Now Cloud needs permission before performing some actions. For example, moving or deleting the certain files may require my approval, and that's important because I still want to stay in the control of sensitive actions. So Cloud can do the work, but human can still stay in the loop. And I'm going to allow this action and let the Cloud continue. Now Cloud continues working through the plan. It creates the folder, it categorizes the documents, it reads the receipts, it extracts the information, and it starts creating the Excel spreadsheets. At this point, I'm not manually opening every file and typing the numbers into Excel. I'm just supervising the work while Cloud handles the repetitive steps. Now we have the final result. Here's our agreement folder, and here's our invoices folder, and here's our receipts folder. Cloud organized everything for us, and it also created a receipt summary spreadsheet. Let's just open it. Here we have the merchant, the amount, and the currency, and importantly, Cloud notes that these amounts are not in the same currency. One receipt is in US dollars, another one is in Canadian dollars. So instead of blindly adding them together, Cloud flagged the difference. That's exactly what we wanted. Now let's make the task a little harder. I'm going to ask Cloud to convert the US dollar amount into Canadian dollar and update the spreadsheet. And I will ask it to calculate new total and verify the result again. Cloud creates another plan. It needs to find the current exchange rate, convert the amount, update the spreadsheet and calculate the total, and then verify the file. And again, I'm giving the Cloud the result I want, and Cloud handles individual steps by itself. And here's the updated spreadsheet. Now everything has been converted into one currency. Now we have final total. So we have started with a messy folder containing different types of business files, and we finished with a organized folders and structured Excel summary. This is one more important part of Claude Cowork that you should understand. You may have noticed Claude using something called skill during this process. A skill is basically a set of instructions that teaches Claude how to perform specific type of work. For example, Claude can have a skill for working with Excel, a skill for creating presentations, and a skill for creating reports. Even we can create a custom skill based on the way our company works. So you can think of skill as an additional capability that you can give to Cloud. And this becomes even more powerful than when different pieces work together. Cloud can have access to the files, and it can use skills, and it can use tools, and it can connect to other services as well. Then it can run the workflows based on the schedule. So instead of using AI only to generate text, you can start building systems that perform parts of real business processes. And I think that's the most important shift over here. AI is moving from answering questions to actually completing the work. That does not mean you should try automate everything immediately. Start with one repetitive task you already do every week. Maybe you organize the files, maybe you prepare a report, maybe you summarize the invoices, maybe you perform the same research again and again. Give Cowork one clear outcome and see how much of process it can handle. And in the next video, I'm going to go deeper into the Claude skills and showing you how they work and how can you create your own skill. So if you want to learn how to turn Claude from a chatbot into AI worker, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.